morning, this is Don Hawley with Hawley Home Inspections and my dog Sonic as he wanders in and out of the picture here. We're going to talk just a little bit about how much space you have to have fresh vegetables in your garden. What we've done here is we've taken an area that's about 2 feet wide, and we've got about 10 feet here that we have our tomato cages in. We've got regular tomatoes, we've got 4 different varieties. In case one doesn't work, we've got the others. We've got the little guys here that are just coming on, nothing better than a tomato straight out of the garden. Don't use pesticides, by the way, so it's okay to do this without washing out. You don't have to have a lot of space to grow your fresh vegetables. Look at the size of this pepper here. This one coming on, you can see that? That's beautiful. It's about ready to pick. The beauty of this is it blends right into the landscape, doesn't take any extra room. Over here, you can see this used to be an ugly old tree stump. Now it's a beautiful urban garden. More cherry tomatoes, another pepper plant, another pepper. These guys here are cucumbers. There's 4 cucumber plants here that would probably take an area 10 foot by 30 foot if they were on the ground. If you just let them grow up on a little bit of wire mesh here, they take up a whole lot less space. But what's really neat is you don't have to get on your hands and knees to pick your fruit. It's right up here off the ground. You don't have to worry about ground rot or anything else. Now, one thing you do have to be careful for, if you're using a small mesh like this, is to make sure that they don't grow through. There's one here somewhere. There we go. That you catch them before they grow through the wire. Just take them. They'll hang perfectly, and it'll be wonderful. Urban garden, nothing to it. You're not going to feed the family, you're not going to solve the world's problems, but it's nice just to be able to come out and get a fresh veggie out of your backyard.